Welcome to Life-Changing Quotes. A change is brought about because ordinary people do extraordinary things. We are the change we have been waiting for. In the unlikely story that is America, there has never been anything false about hope. In the face of impossible odds, people who love this country can change it. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress. There's not a liberal America and a conservative America. There's the United States of America. We don't ask you to believe in our ability to bring change. Rather, we ask you to believe in yours. It's important to make sure that we're talking with each other in a way that heals, not in a way that wounds. Focusing your life solely on making a buck shows a poverty of ambition. It asks too little of yourself, and it will leave you unfulfilled. Nothing can stand in the way of the power of millions of voices calling for change. The worst thing that colonialism did was to cloud our view of our past. Our stories may be singular, but our destination is shared. Enthusiasm makes up for a host of deficiencies. You can't let your failures define you. You have to let your failures teach you. While we breathe, we will hope. You can put lipstick on a pig, it's still a pig. A lot of sheltered dogs are much like me. Where you are right now doesn't have to determine where you'll end up. Someone once said that every man is trying to live up to his father's expectations or make up for their father's mistakes. A nation that can't control its energy sources can't control its future. We may not be able to stop evil in the world, but how we treat one another is entirely up to us. I think perhaps education doesn't do us much good unless it is mixed with sweat. We will outstretch the hand if you unclench your fist. Change is never easy, but always possible. But you see, a rich country like America can perhaps afford to be stupid. It's only when you hitch your wagon to something larger than yourself that you realize your true potential. I wish the country had fewer lawyers and more engineers. Cynicism is a sorry kind of wisdom. At the moment that we persuade a child, any child, to cross that threshold, that magic threshold into a library, we change their lives forever, for the better. There is no excuse for not trying. Each of us deserves the freedom to pursue our own version of happiness. No one deserves to be bullied.
What did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out on a chance to see the next video. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more motivational videos.